What's good, everybody? My Duck checking in. Today, doing a third period reaction. The Vegas Golden Knights versus the Colorado Avalanche. Third period reaction. Last time I did one was Bruins versus Flyers. And speaking of Bruins and Flyers, Vegas and Colorado, they're going to be playing at Lake Tahoe next Saturday, outdoor game. That'll be interesting to watch. Fleury's the beast. He's a beast. Marc-Andre Fleury's a beast. Wrong. Oh. But yeah, guys, hopefully also happy Valentine's Day to all the great couples out there. Obviously, this is the obviously wearing red. No, the Wizards beat the Celtics 109-91 this afternoon. Clippers versus Cavs play. Trailblazers versus Mavericks play against each other, and they were playing. And Lakers and Nuggets. That'll be a good game. Oh. Good save. Man, the Vegas Golden Knights jerseys are fire. Ooh. Oh. Two misses. That's rough. Penguins beat the Caps earlier, 6-3. Oh. Come on, shoot the puck. Man, oh man, what's in the end we got? McKinnon's also a beast. Ethan McKinnon. But yeah, guys, got some awesome videos coming out. More videos be coming out this week. 140 to go. There goes the move back. He tried to go over. Let's go through the gate. I remember this season Vegas got established. I was 8th heading into freshman year. One, 2 to go. 1-0.
Looks like he's going to, and he did. But he's going to draw the play here. It'll be a set play off the face-off, and also give his top offensive players a chance to catch their breath. There'll be some educating going on over by the bench.
But not too good at me games. The Spurs beat the Hornets 122-110. I could see this in the NBA in the Eastern Conference. A race for the 6th seed, 7th seed, and 8th seed. So that'll be a race for the playoffs.
They deserve to. They played very hard after an extended break, and they have been impressive. Their work ethic and the fact that they've got stronger has moved them off. Makes you think they're going to have a pretty good week as things progress. Tuesday night, these two teams right here. Saturday afternoon. Lake Tahoe, outside. 18th fairway. Beautiful setting. 62 seconds left. Marc-Andre Fleury, back-to-back games. He's found the fountain of youth, Jonesy. He has played extremely well. He's had some good help and support defensively in front of him. Also. Face off, won by the Golden Knights. Great job by Chandler Stevenson.
Sorry, the music. It's so cool. Oh. Oh, score. No. Oh. Oh, that was a good hit. Hey, 35. Hey, they need to run it. Colorado needs to hurry up. Shoot up.
Avalanche one more time will cross the blue line. Transited along the boards. Tied up. Carried by McKinnon. A winder blocked. It's loose in center. Hedger ready with a shot just wide.
Oh.
15 seconds left. Stone for the
Score, no.
It's blocked. Colorado with their final
10, 9, 8, 7.
Boots it along for McKinnon. He's picked up by Petrangelo. 4 seconds left. It kicks him back.
2-1, and Vegas will win. 1-0.
That's all, Vegas, with a 1-0 win, and the second shutout this season for Marc-Andre Fleury.
63rd career shutout. Congrats, Fleury. Oh, I've had her exhausted.
Grind things out in a very hard-fought hockey game. Marc-Andre Fleury, the star in this one. All around, very good game from both clubs. Win number 473
Oh, wow.
lifetime.
What a game. That's it. 1-0 Vegas.
With a 1-0 win. For Keith Jones, this is John Porcelain. Thank you for watching right now. In the studio.
Alright, my Doug Nation. Peace out. Enjoy the video.